Cooking Couture Atlanta. It's time for another car confession. Oh Lord, I see I done left my earring. My earring fell off. Okay, whatever. I can't care about that right now because I'm on my way to get my braids taken out. Yes, it has been a week. Has it even been a week? Okay, how about, you know, I love to leave my sunroof open. That's how my car always getting flooded. And now it's summertime. Leave my sunroof open, get in, and this cushion in the seat is burning up hot. The seat hot. Oh Lord. Shit. Man, this is a seat warmer for your eyes. Alright, I'm just not good at this whole braid game. My sister said to get my money's worth, I had to keep it up 3 weeks. First of all, I haven't found a style that I can keep up no doggone 3 weeks. And then second of all, I keep getting auditions scared. Ooh, child. I'm getting all these auditions. Bitches hot in these streets right now. So they want sophisticated, upscale. Oh, what I sent them all these pictures to me. And they do not want these little dusty braids that I just can't. Oh my God, the first 2 nights I try to wrap it up, but I'm not a good head wrapper. I don't be wrapping my head up. Sorry, everybody got their thing and everybody got to have some advantages in life. Type of hair I got, an attitude and energy, the way I'm set up, all that hair wrapping, I just have never been good at that. When I used to get my hair and straighten and wrap it and all, I was never good at that. Rolling, hair maintenance is not my thing. Now you start talking about pulling it, hey, that's something else. But then I'm talking all this smack and I'm so tender-headed. You can pull it all right, but you better be careful. Oh shit, I ain't supposed to do that on video, right? I'm just going right around the corner. Oh my goodness, listen. I've been up busy planning an event for this weekend. I need a drink. I need to calm my nerves down. I can't be creative when I'm all wired up. Like, yeah. That's how I've been feeling. But I gotta find another hairstyle. Okay, so I'm gonna take my braids out and then I'm going to put my hair back up in a bun, do this audition. Shout out to my agent. Hey boo. You know I don't care nothing about taking them down, child. I'll take them down. My daughter did some stuff to her hair and she looks really cute and exotic. Ooh, I like it. I think I want me some color. I want some blonde or something. I need something different. I know it's the summertime and I used to be concerned about, I'm gonna tell you what I straight up was concerned about. I'm just gonna straight be honest. This car confession, right? Well, I never get braids and weave and different things done to my hair because I've always looked at my hair as one of my attributes. So one of my positive attributes I know I have is my teeth, my eyes, and my hair. You know, and then I think my skin is kind of, you know, on point. I got good genes and shit. But, so I wear sunglasses, but when I take my sunglasses off, shoot, I don't wear sunglasses at night because I like my lashes and don't let my little makeup be popping and stuff. So I've always liked my eyes. And then everybody's always complimenting me on my smile. And I go way out of my way to totally take care of my doggone teeth. I mean, I done started on this all natural charcoal toothpaste because regular toothpaste has sugar in it and it has what is it? Not aluminum, but maybe it's aluminum. It got too much stuff in it. I don't need nothing else put into my body. I'm trying to cleanse and detox. Only thing I want to put in there is what I want to put in there, and that might be some alcoholic beverages or whatever. But all that aluminum and all that extra stuff, y'all can keep that now. I'm off of the aluminum deodorant. I don't do all of that. I'm not trying to. It's too much. So I know that my hair, I know this is what I know. Black men like hair, and I got some shit. So once I embrace my ways and my natural curl pattern and everything, I get so many compliments from men and women on my hair. I like it, and I like it. I feel comfortable with it. It makes me feel like I'm doing something. I be feeling like I'm cute and everything when I be having my little hair. So I'm not big on doing other stuff with my hair, but I look at hair as an accessory. You know, like I've been seeing, oh my goodness, I've been seeing some sisters out here in these streets just cute, honey. And these new little ponytails, white girls and black girls, they all around the world got these ponytails down to their butt. And at first I was like, what is all this? It's cute. I done seen some people looking really cute with their little styles and fashion and shoes, sundress time and everything. So I want to be cute too. So I got to do something different to my hair. And so for everybody that don't know, now you know I got some hair, but I'm about to get some more, and I want some color. And I can't really put color in my hair because my hair is soft and I don't need it falling out. I don't need no problems. I need my hair to I need to have it when I'm ready to have it. So I'm gonna be getting little quick weaves and little adding color. My braids gonna be another color. Something I need. It's summertime and I'm happy and life is good and I'm grateful. And so shoot, I'm gonna be adding some things and doing some things. So it was a little, I don't know, when I don't have my own hair, I didn't feel as secure. I didn't pump myself up. So, you know, like I be on point and I like feeling confident and secure and good with myself. I'm losing weight. I can fit clothes. My hair look good and got all my teeth, all the main ones that count that y'all can see. So I be feeling good about myself. But I'm about to feel good about myself with some other hair. So I don't care what y'all talking about. Shoot. Our men be tripping. And but I don't know why I'm tripping. Most men know the deal and they used to it, and I don't know, I be thinking I get an extra point for having my own shoulder length hair. That's natural. Well, shit, if I lose a point for all my hair shenanigans I'm about to go through this summer, then I just lose a point. Shit, fuck it. You need to care about more than hair anyway. Shit, bitch could cook. Damn. Anyway, so, ooh, they just straight ran that light. I'm about to go and get these braids out, and let me tell you, everybody that say they can braid, can't do all the braid. Like, braid styles is just like hitting. Ooh, my sister was mad about this little style I got now because she said that this style is all about the parts. And I went last minute, like I always do, to this African shop, and she just wasn't able to get them parts like they really needed to be, so you could really see the parts. And my parts weren't white like everybody else's I've been seeing. Everybody else's parts are all white and you could see them. I mean, damn, now I'm wondering, is that a cleansing thing? Has this cannabis stained my scalp? I don't know, but I'm gonna find out, and I know they probably got something that you could spray on your parts to make them whiter, make your scalp look healthier. I'm about to find out. If not, I'm about to invent it or tell y'all what I came up with, a home remedy for making your parts. Boy, everybody be parting their hair and they scalp be all white. I'm like, what's that all about? dude, am I lacking, slacking? What's up with my scalp? Why everybody else's scalp look all white and all pretty and stuff? I'm about to tell the truth. Whatever I find out, let me find out everybody putting something like them men be putting that black in their hair. Let me find out women painting their scalp with a little chalk or something. I'm about to bring it to you. I'm gonna go on and close this because good God Almighty, man, I need a little breathe on this sun. I just cooled this seat off with my butt, and now I'm about to go in. But anyway, so that's the deal. I made a confession. The whole hair thing is just so, man, the judgment, you're just so judged by everything. So you just have to kind of try to work what you got, you know? And the hair is one of the things I have. But I'm like Indy Irie. I am not my hair. I am not going to be controlled by my hair. Okay, the person that is taking my hair down has opened the door and is like, bring your butt on. So I need to go on in here and let's see how crazy or confident I look or feel afterwards. And so I will come back to y'all after I get this little pony off my head. Okay, so I got my braids down. It's itching, trying to play it off. I ain't even comb it or anything. I'm trying to, I don't know. I'm trying to get out here in these streets and get me this outfit, but it's Memorial Day weekend. We're about to go out to Lake Lanier and be on the boat. Oh my goodness. So this hair, I don't know, I'm thinking about this 18, 20 inch ponytail. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I've decided that hair is an accessory and I'm about to get into it. That's what my nail tech says all the time. Oh, what I need to do, what I'm gonna have to do is go wash this stuff and then get it together. Oh my goodness. Man, I broke my comb. I need to dye my hair. This shit need to be called the Hair Chronicles. I brought a hat just in case. Let's see. Let's do this hat thing. Let's see if we're gonna do hat thing. Oh shit. Okay, so oh shit. This hat hot. So we're not doing the hat thing. Not while we going in this boutique. Maybe this weekend when we on the lake, that might be the hat. But right now, I'm hot and I gotta find a dress to wear on the lake this weekend. And I'm gonna do a ponytail. Let the record show a bitch got hair. But if you don't think I do, I don't even care. I'm not. I just wanted to be cute and go along with my outfit and all that good stuff. I don't care. Don't nobody believe I have no hair. I don't care what nobody thinks. Thank you. Now, let's make it happen.